pushing on. Things are gonna get better.
Hey, good morning, everyone. My name is Shivy Williams. I am your health, wellness, and fitness accountability coach, and I help you reach your goals by holding you accountable for reaching them. One way I do that is with these workout videos. Another way I do that is through my website, www.lbxfitness.com. So make sure you guys share this video. You know what time it is, don't you? It is time to get excited about today's workout. Yep. So you guys, I'm so excited about this month's workout. It is August. It is my birthday month. We are going to be doing a HIIT routine each week, 5 days each week. So I'm so excited about it. So you guys get ready to burn some fat and get your cardio workout on. So here we go. Welcome to this week's challenge. So welcome to day one, week number one of this awesome HIIT workout. Now, if you guys are new, welcome. Thanks for joining us. If you haven't done so yet, head over to YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, LBX Fitness. So let's talk about the rules, and then we're going to get started. Rule number one, always give 100%. My 100%, your 100%. Don't look anything alike. That's perfectly okay. You just give your 100%. That's all that matters. Number two, always do your best. So that means to use correct form. And number three, take as many breaks as you need to. 1 break, 5 breaks, 20 breaks, 50 breaks to get the job done. Now, here's the thing about the HIIT routine for the month of August. There are 3 different levels. There's a level 1, which is our beginner's level. You do 5 rounds. There's level 2, you do 10 rounds, and level 3 for our advanced is 15 rounds. So we have something for everybody. Everybody will be doing the same thing. You just do the rounds 5, 10, or 15 according to your fitness level. You can add weights if you would like. You don't have to. So I'm going to grab the timer. So I am always going to be doing at least the beginners. Some days I might do an intermediate. Some days I might do the advanced. Today I'm only going to be doing the beginner. So as a group together, we're going to do level 1. And then you can do level 2 or level 3 if you would like. Level 2 again is you do 10 rounds. Level 3 is you do 15 rounds. And each exercise we do is 20 seconds. Now, after each round, you can take a 1-minute break. So this first time, I'm not going to take a 1-minute break, but we're going to do this together. So first up is our high knees. Remember, you want to get your knees up as high as possible. We got 20-second high knees. Here we go. Only 20 seconds. Let's get started. Go. So I want you guys to remember, you always want to stand straight up or sit straight up. Bring those knees up as high as possible. You're breathing out every time you bring your knees up. So, and this is going to go by so fast. It's just 20 seconds. So do your best. All right, next up is squats. We have 20-second squats. I'm going to put my knee in the chair. When you're doing squats, go as low as you possibly can. Stick your butt out first, then squat down. Stand up, squeeze your butt, breathe out. Here we go, 20 seconds. You guys got this. Let's do this. Now, again, when doing squats, you want to go down. Abs are always tight. Squeezing that butt tight. You can do a little bit more advanced move by picking your leg up when you do the squats. You can do squat jumps if you want, if you're a little bit more advanced. Great job. And our last one, and not least, a lot of people's favorite, is going to be burpees. You got 20-second burpees. Now, to do burpees, all I need you to do is, I want you to, modified version, put your hands on the chair. You're just going to step back, hold the plank, come up, stand up, squeeze your butt. Now, anybody else, if you're not just doing that basic one, then you're going to go down, you're going to step back, do a push-up on your knees or hands, come up, stand up, squeeze your butt. So there's different types of burpees you can do, and I'm just telling you what those are now. You can also go down, step back, hold the plank, right? Hold the plank, come up, stand up, calf raise, or you can do a jump. The burpee is your choice. Again, the basic burpee that you're going to be doing is go down to the floor or on this chair, go back into a plank, hold the plank, come up, stand up, and squeeze your butt. Very basic. All right, we got 20 seconds. I'm going to just hold the plank because a lot of you know my ankle is still fractured. I go to the doctor tomorrow. So here we go, 20-second burpees. Let's do this. Or I'll just do kind of like this modified version of mountain climbers. So you're doing burpees. Remember, you go down, go into a plank, step back up, stand up, and squeeze your butt. All right, so you guys, that's round one. Here we go. Now, we've gone through that all together. I don't have to tell you guys what to do again. So you guys ready? High knees up first. Here we go. Let's get started. Go. Now, remember, level one, which is beginners, you're doing 5 rounds. We're going to do that together today. Level 2, you're doing 10 rounds of this workout video. And level 3, you're doing 15 rounds. Each exercise is 20 seconds. Get those knees up as high as possible. Next up is squats. We got 20-second squats. Here we go. Let's get started. You're going to always sit back first. Now, when doing squats, make sure you go down as deep as you can. If you only can go here because you have bad knees, that's okay. You go here, you still stick your butt out, but you squeeze tight when you come up. You can also touch the floor. Don't forget you can add weights, which will help to build muscle and burn more body fat. Next up, burpees. I told you guys how to do those. I'm just going to do these modified mountain climbers instead. Let's go. Now burpees. Go down, go back into your plank, come back up, and you can do a calf raise. You can go down. You can do a push-up, right? You can come up and stand up. Yeah, I like that. Just to do something extra for me. All right, that's round number 2. Round number 3. Here we go, let's get started. We're on high knees, let's go. Up. Breathe out. Now remember, if you guys are gonna be doing more than level 1, you can take a 1-minute break between each round if you want. You can do, let's say 3 rounds and take a 1-minute break. The choice is yours. Here we go. And squats, let's do this. Sit back, stand up. Now remember you guys, check in today. I want to know what you think about this HIIT routine today. I also want to know how many levels, which level you did. Did you do level 1, level 2, or level 3? Great job. Next up is our burpees. So here we go. 20 seconds. I'm going to do a little something modified instead. And everybody ready? Go down. Go into your plank. I'm going to do a push-up here. And I'm just going to do a mountain climber. Down. Go back into your plank. Stand up. Squeeze your butt tight. Go down. Back to that plank. Come up. You can do a jump. That was round 3. These rounds go by pretty fast, huh? Round number 4. Here we go. Let's do it. High knees. Get those knees up as high as possible. Now make sure you're breathing in and out. Abs are tight. I want you guys to always remember, you should always warm up. You should always cool down. Never forget to stretch. So what we're going to do this week is we're doing HIIT 4 days. On Friday, we're going to do stretching. Because I said on Fridays we're going to stretch. Here we go. Ready? Squats. Let's do this. 1. Now, as you come up, squeeze that butt tight. I know a lot of people have asked me, or people have asked me before, what can I do to get my butt bigger? You can do squats. what you want to do is you want to add weight to those squats. Squats also help to work your abs. Also, here we go. We got our burpees. Me with the modified version of them. And it's getting hot up in here. Here we go. Go down, go into a plank. You can push up on your knees. And I'm just going to do this kind of like mountain climber thing. Go down, go into a plank. Come back up and stand up. You can go down, go into a plank. You can push up, stand back up, and do calf raises. Here we go. Level 1. This is our last round. Are you guys ready? If not, we're getting started. You can take your break. Here we go. Let's do this. 20-second high knees. Remember, you're doing level 1, which is 5 rounds. Level 2, 10 rounds. Level 3, 15 rounds, right? I want to know which level you guys did today. So make sure you check in. Let me know what you think of this HIIT routine. We're going into squats next. Each day we're going to be doing a different HIIT routine. So be prepared. Here we go. Squat down. Squat. Squeeze. Squat. Breathe out. Squat. Abs tight. Go as low as you can. Always sit back, stand up. Sit back, stand up. Great job squeezing that butt. Great job. Last but not least, here we go, mountain climber. Burpees. I know burpees are Dion's favorite. So, here we go. Let's go. Go down, get into that plank. You can push up, come up, stand up. Go down, hold that plank. You can push up, stand up, squeeze that butt. Again, you can just go down, hold the plank, come up, stand up, and then that's it. All right, you guys. So what we've done today is I just did level 1, which is the beginners, right? With you guys. So I need you again to make sure you check in today. We're doing a HIIT routine for the whole month of August. Each day is a different HIIT routine. So check in. Let me know what you thought about today's workout, which level you did. Check out the links in this post or description box. Visit my website, www.lbxfitness.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, LBX Fitness. I will see you guys tomorrow for day number 2 for a different HIIT workout tomorrow. Everyone have an awesome day. Bye.
Keep pushing.